Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more music industry insights. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with AWAL. For musicians seeking an honest AWAL review, watch this before you sign up. If you're an independent artist searching for a distribution platform that truly gets the music business, AWAL may have piqued your interest. But is it the right fit for ***? AWAL is specifically tailored for serious independent artists who prioritize owning their music while still leveraging a global distribution network. A key feature is its invite-only or application-based access. AWAL collaborates only with artists they believe in. This exclusivity is a double-edged sword, offering both advantages and disadvantages depending on your individual circumstances. Once accepted, AWAL opens doors to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. You also get access to in-depth analytics, crucial for understanding your audience and tracking your progress. For many artists, AWAL's hands-on artist support and resources, including marketing assistance and playlist pitching, are its most attractive features. If your music gains significant traction, you might even be invited to join AWAL recordings, where they offer enhanced support, including funding and a dedicated team. It's crucial to understand that AWAL takes a percentage of your revenue, approximately 15%. This percentage might be higher than some other, more basic distribution platforms. However, there are no upfront fees, which is a major plus for artists wanting to minimize financial risks early in their careers. So, who is AWAL for? It's definitely not designed for hobbyists or casual creators. If you're a musician with a growing fanbase seeking professional-level support without relinquishing your rights, AWAL could be an excellent match. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a platform with a lower barrier to entry, a more accessible option might be a better fit. In short, AWAL is a strong choice for independent artists who value creative control, personalized support, and high-level distribution. However, keep in mind that it's a competitive platform. If you're not quite within their target artist profile yet, you might need to explore other alternatives.